And in other news, Little app taxi drivers will accept card-based payments using an Android smartphone, offering enhanced security and efficiency for both customers and drivers. This is after Little app, Absa Bank, Kenya and Visa unveiled a near-field communication NFC payment feature which gears towards revolutionizing convenience and efficiency within the ride-hailing industry. Now, the NFC payment feature simplifies the transaction process for cardholders, ensuring a swift and a hassle-free experience.
Faster, better. Then we look at Little and what they're doing by transforming lives of drivers. That convergence of purpose plus technology is what is going to drive us forward. And that is why we're particularly happy as Visa to be part of this launch today.
It's not a very secure way of paying, but I think it's a myth because the card transactions are going very, very high. We have seen that tap to pay is a common way of using card transactions across the globe. So this is the journey we are actually now we are leading together with our partners.
Things that we're doing as a bank is just to make sure that we can make all the things that we're doing as a bank is just to make sure that we can make opportunities, products and services that we offer easier, faster, better.